Monday. It's blizzard, a wind up to 80 kilometers, blowing snow, cold. Hopefully, it's gonna be a busy one, right? What's up, gig workers? Welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time here and you want to watch more video of different kind of gig apps, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell so whenever I post a video, you will be notified. Today I'll be working with Skip the Dishes and Doordash from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. So come along for the ride and stick around to the end if you want to watch the breakdown of the tips and how much I made per hour. All that said, let's go make some money, okay? The time is 10:59. Just gonna log into Doordash first because Skip the Dishes is right at 11. You can't start earlier. Doordash online. Skip the Dishes, matching orders. I don't know if I should log into Uber Eats too. Get 3 apps running at the same time. Should I? Thinking about it. Hey guys, this is Skip the Dishes. $7, 4.2 kilometers. Popeyes, I'll accept it. Want to know this one? 26.9 kilometers for $12.41. I didn't see this for a while with Skip the Dishes. Wow, that's a far drive, really far drive. 21 minutes to the customer address. Skip the Dishes again, $7.29 for 6.8 kilometers. I'll accept that one. Whoa, his customer is 9 minutes away, 5.4. Swipe to deliver. $21.29 and 12:01. Got another one. King Edward's, that's a far drive. 15 minutes. Gee. Woo. Right now I'm just above 80%, 90%. If I decline this one, I'm just gonna go to 80%. Deliver order. Let's see if one coming right away. Here we go. That's a nice one. $7 for 2.6 kilometers. Awesome, awesome. Customer didn't tip because you see there's a top up of $3.51. Grab that order from Wendy's. Number 3. Ready to drive. I think this is a close drop off. 3 minutes, 2.2 kilometers. Awesome. Nice, nice, nice. I like those short drop off. I mean, who doesn't? Deliver. Okay, let's turn on back Doordash. Yeah, Doordash didn't have a chance today. So it says Popeyes are busy. Let's go there. Hey guys, the time is 12:38 and I'm at $31.78 with Skip the Dishes only. Doordash, 0 order. So this is Skip the Dishes, $7 for 3.1 kilometers. Right now I'm at 80% because I declined 2 orders. Right at the borderline. Swipe, deliver. No ting. That's gonna come in right away. Okay, back to Doordash. $42.28 and the time is 12:52, 1 p.m. So around this time order tends to decline. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna log into Uber Eats. 3 apps are better than 2, right? Because I don't want to be sitting here making no money, right? Uber Eats, you're in line. Come on, baby, send me some order. Let's see who first gonna send me an order. Is it Skip the Dishes, Uber Eats, or Doordash? Whoa, Doordash. I hope it's a good one. Oh, crappy one. 12 kilometers for $7.25. Doordash, you send me one, but it's a garbage order. What's up with that? Uh-oh, Skip the Dishes. Skip, $7 for 4 kilometers. I park right beside Popeyes here. Wind gets stronger now. This one is from Doordash, $7.25 for 14.8 kilometers. No thank you. Let's get into slow time now. Slow time. So another one from Doordash, $9 for 17.8 kilometers. Huh. Oh man. Hey guys, this is Skip the Dishes, $7 for 1.1 kilometers. Awesome. I log into Uber Eats, 0 order. Swipe to deliver. This is Uber Eats, $6.39 for 5.4 kilometers. Finally, Uber. And at Tim Hortons. $6.40. Now I have to drive back to my zone. I'm like 5 minutes away. Hey guys, this is Uber Eats, $7.35 for 6.7 kilometers. And it's the Popeyes restaurant. Uber Eats, you're getting busy now after 2 p.m. Hey guys, that Tim Hortons was my last delivery and the time is 3:03. That's it for me, 4 hours. Most of the order that I received was Skip the Dishes. Doordash wasn't a great day. Lots of order was far distance. crappy orders, so I declined them. And Uber Eats is a good thing I log in and I pick up a few orders there. Came in handy. So again, I want to thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the summary. And guys, leave a comment down below. Let me know how's the gig world is going in your world. Okay, so hello guys, welcome back, and this is summary. But first, I want to give a big shout out for all the new subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing. So let's start with Uber Eats. I had 3 delivery with Uber Eats. First one from the bottom, $9.62. Customer tip $3.22. Second one from the bottom, $11.35. Customer tip $4. Thank you. So the total with Uber Eats is $24.60. And Doordash, we had 0 income because I didn't accept those crappy orders. So let's start with Skip the Dishes here. I had 9 delivery with Skip the Dishes and it's $7. How exciting is that? Let's start from the bottom. Customer tip $0. Second one from the bottom. Customer tip $2.58. Third one from the bottom. Customer tip $0. And the rest is around $1, $2 tips. The highest tip I think is $3. This customer tip $2.51. So Skip the Dishes total is $63.29. Transit pay was $34.26. Top up was $16.45 and tips was $12.58. Imagine the top up is $16.45. If I didn't qualify for the top up, I would have lost that much money. That's kind of a lot. And the tip is $12.58 for 9 deliveries. That's pretty low. So Uber Eats is $24.60. Skip the Dishes is $63.29. Equal $87.89. Minus $7 for gas. Gas is so expensive. Give us $80.89 divided by 4 hours equal $20.22 per hour. Awesome wage. I achieved my goal, which is always $20 an hour. Anything above that, it's a bonus. And I'm happy with that. And I'm satisfied. Take it to the bank. $20.22 is better than some of those 9-to-5 jobs. So again, I want to thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, subscribe to help the channel out. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.